Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add captions on TikTok. And nowadays it's not possible to create those captions for your own video, but TikTok will do this automatically. That means that if someone enable captions on his post, that you can turn that on very simple. And I will show you that from here. Alright, this is a Fortnite video where a famous person, Mongrel, is telling some things and I want to get this in a caption. So then tap on the arrow on the right side and then scroll to captions. From here, make sure that show captions auto-generated is turned on. And you can do always translate post, but that's not necessary. Do not translate my own language and translate into English. This is the setting that you need. And if I do now cross and I start playing this video, you will see above his name, Casvi, that he is giving me the captions from this video now. And this is exactly how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And thanks for watching.